So this is a neat little kit here. This is a 4-way multifunctional, but there's 2 different ones that it comes with. It comes with this smaller one. This is your utility key, and then this is your Sillcock key. So these are square, and this comes with 4 different sizes: 1/4 inch, 11 30-seconds, 9 30-seconds, and 5/16. Got some weight to it. It's got a zinc coating, so it will not rust. You know, you just want to be, you know, kind of careful with it. And then this is your utility key. This will be used to open up like cabinets, electrical cabinets, and things like that. So you can see the different interesting little connections there to open up all kinds of different things that you might run into in the field. So definitely something cool to have, something to have in your preparedness, you know, kit. This will get you into all kinds of things that you might need during an emergency. So there they are. This is from DURATECH. And as far as the quality goes, I don't see you have any issue with these long term. They should pretty much last forever.